Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti with the clam with the red sauce. For the ingredients we got a clams, plum tomato, I got a spaghetti, garlic, parsley, and flake hot pepper. Now for the clams I wash with the cold water about 5 times. After I put it again cold water, clams, and I put 3 tablespoons salt inside and you leave it stay for a half hour. After a half hour, you take it out of the clams, throw away the water with the salt, and you put a fresh cold water. And you wash it again a couple of more times. And after you drain the clams, it's ready to cook. Okay, now we start to cook. First thing we gotta do the garlic oil for the plum tomato. Now I got the oil over here. Let's put the gas on. You see what happened now? I started to make a little mistake. This is a new stove for me. Now oil. And we got garlic. I chop already the garlic. Now we gotta wait to cook a little bit of the garlic. A little bit more. I want to make it a little more color. Okay, the garlic is ready, and let's go with the plum tomato. Okay, really good about this. You see this? I need a little water over here. Yeah, it's really good. This is all the good stuff over here. Okay. Now we give a nice turn for the plum tomato. We raise the gas a little bit. Okay. And now we start to core this plum tomato. Look how beautiful this plum tomato. And don't mess up my stove anyway. I don't want to mess up again. After I gotta clean anyway. Okay, now we put the flake hot pepper. And this is really hot. This is my oil baby. But so you don't like the hot pepper, it's okay, no problem. Maybe use a little black pepper, or you know use nothing. Okay, now I need a little salt. That's all. And this we give a nice turn with the salt. And we leave it cook now for 15 minutes on a medium. Okay, now the sauce is ready, and now it's time to cook the pasta. The pasta, the water is salty already. Okay, now this you gotta cook the pasta. We make a nice turn. Okay, you don't want the pasta to stick together. And make sure to use a lot of water when you cook pasta. Okay, now it's time to put the clams. Okay, and we give a nice turn on the clams. And when the spaghetti is ready, the clams be ready too. Okay, now the clams is on the sauce. Now we cover. And you gotta be on a medium. Gotta not boil too much. Cause the clams one time you start to open up. But look, once in a while, do like this. So the clams you start to open up, you close and turn the gas off, because you cook too much, it's chewy. You see, I like the clams when they start to open up, it's look like life. It's the way you gotta cook the clams. No cook, it can come like shoelace. And I don't like shoelace. Shoelace I use it for the shoes. But when I eat, I want the clams to be juicy.
Where are your shoelaces?
No shoelace. Okay, now the pasta's ready. And now let's see the clams like I said before. Make sure they open. And I was a check, and now parapap. Look how beautiful look this clams, you see? Alright, we turn the gas off of the spaghetti. And we put the spaghetti right inside over here. Hey. Oh, this pasta spaghetti tonight. I want to do trippa mia fatta sacca. Look how beautiful. And with a nice glass of wine, it's more good. Okay, now we give a nice turn. I want the spaghetti take all the taste with the clams, with my sauce. I wish you can smell the smell in the kitchen. Oh, so good. I take all the smell. I take all everything it's on me now. Now it's a time of the taste. My beautiful spaghetti and the clams. Look how beautiful. Now, a spoon. I take some of the clams. I put it right over here. Oh, look how beautiful. Go over there. You know, everybody say, Pasquale, use your finger. It's like a fork. Now a little parsley. And now let's taste. That's the way to make it. And look at this. You know, it was hard, but I want to taste my oh yeah baby. Look nice bobugil. This is bobugil. Oh yeah baby, me. Crunchy. Crunchy e hot. Huh? It make you jump yourself on the pepper. My oh yeah baby. But I got this one to cool off. Really good. Salute cin cin everybody. A salute. And we see next time. A salute!